Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Princess and this is a channel that I share with my daughter. Her name is Pearl. So first thing first, I want to show you how I take care of her hair every 2 weeks. We start with detangling the hair. Okay, this is an old twist that we've had for about 2 weeks and a half, and it's time to take it down so that we can make a new style of hair. Well, my daughter wanted something simple, and you're going to see the style that she eventually went on to do. So first thing you need to know is that you have to detangle your hair before you make any new style. This is a rule that you don't want to break. You want to really follow this rule, because if you do, then you will notice less breakage from your hair. So we have kinda, I put emphasis on kinda, dished the combs for now. So we're trying our fingers and we want to see what our fingers is going to do for this little miss here, as well as my hair. But today we're focused on this little miss. So we have these twists that almost is looking like it's getting locked from the look of it. But thankfully, we kept this hair really moisturized throughout the time that it was in there. And this made take down somewhat of a breeze. It was kind of easy to take it down because we've had it in the simplest routine ever. So we have had it well taken care of, even though left alone. And the more we put in the cream, the oils, the butter, it kind of looked like it was locked, but actually it wasn't locked. Are you guys noticing something? If you have natural hair, let me know if you also noticed it. I noticed that when the time goes, while you have your hair in a certain pattern, especially twist, a hairstyle like twist, and you keep this adding the moisture, water, oil, butter, or water, cream, butter, water, cream, oil, however you layered your product, you notice that your hair start looking old as you go, and sometimes the color start changing. I just noticed with my daughter's hair, the color starts to look different. I don't know if it's just the way her hair is, or if it's just the products that we're using, or if just whenever it stays long it starts changing color. I don't know. So you guys feel free to tell me how your hair is faring. All these products, natural products that we're using, henna, well, I don't use henna for hair, I use henna for only my hair, but amla, black soap, African black soap, rosemary oil, and all of this mixed neem oil, all of these things, do they affect the color of your hair? Does your hair tend to have a reddish tint to it? I've never used henna on this little girl's hair, but I noticed that all the other products, like, I don't know if it's just the texture of her hair, the color of her hair, but it's kind of giving it a kind of reddish or brownish tint, but we don't mind, really don't mind. I think it looks good on her and I really don't care. So here we have already washed the hair. Sorry I didn't show you the washing part, because it's always, I don't know, we just bend over the sink and then we go ahead and wash her hair. So we wash the hair, we put the hair in that towel. It's not really a towel, it's just like a hair drying, I don't know if I'll call it bonnet, just something to dry the hair, absorb some of the water so it's not dripping so much. And after we did that, look at what this myth is asking for. She just wanted her hair in 2 ponytails. It's the easy peasy hairstyle that you can think about, trust me. When she said 2 ponytails, I was like, oh yes, I don't even feel like making any hair today, so let's do it. Let's go with a ponytail, girl. And so we started it, parted it into 2. Let me tell you a secret. I never get the 2 parts equal. One always looks bigger than the other. Sometimes I wonder if it's cute, but she always tells me with a smile, oh mommy, I love the hair, it's cute. Okay, Anyways, after washing the hair, I should have put them in bantu knots, but for whatever reason, I just noticed that the hair started to look like it was drying out. So I decided to re-moisturize it, put aloe vera juice in, as well as the oil, which allowed me to easily detangle her hair. So I detangle it. I mean, when I say detangle, it's not extensive, not deep detangling, because I already detangled the hair before we washed it. So we didn't have to spend so much time doing this detangling process. It's just that puffy root that I was trying to, ease out. Usually when you wash your hair, there's always this thing about the root of our hair looking puffy, and of course it will not look good if I just made her hair not finger detangling it again and loosening out that puffiness and making the hair to look a little bit stretched. And you see, we didn't have to use any heat or anything this time around to stretch out the hair. Just using my fingers and putting each side in bantu knots while they're not being worked upon was really the game changer. Okay, if you've never tried to finger detangle your hair and your hair is breaking a lot, please, I want you to try it. I'm advocating that you please try to finger detangle your hair. Trust me, you will have no regret. It has been a game changer, especially because my daughter is very tender scalp. She has this very tenderness when it comes to her scalp. She doesn't want you to touch it. She doesn't want to feel any pain. She doesn't want to bear anything. And so, man, I just feel like finger detangling is just doing it for us. It's just doing it for us. It's just a game changer for us. And we are doing that finger detangling, and it's doing us a lot of good. So whatever you're going through with your hair, please don't feel like your hair is not growing, because trust me, your hair is actually growing every day. I'll keep saying this over and over again as a reminder for those who think their hair is not growing. Your hair is growing. You're just not retaining length if you feel that your hair has stayed at the same length for so many years. What's the solution to that? Solution to that is that you should watch how you handle your hair. Leave your hair alone. Do one style and leave your hair to rest for like 2 weeks. If you can handle just 1 week, okay, but the longer your hair, the more time you want to space out in between restyling. So leave your hair alone. Let it do its thing. Just make sure that you're moisturizing it while it is left alone. When I say leave your hair alone, doesn't mean abandon your hair, ignore your hair, and let the hair suffer everything that the weather throws at it, everything that the sun gives to it, and everything that your pillow does to it. No. Moisturize your hair while you have it in protective style, and when you take it down, be patient. Be patient on take down day. Be very patient with how you take down your hair. Do not rush the process. Find a movie that you love to watch. Listen to a podcast that you enjoy, so that you can have enough patience and you will not see the time go. You will not get impatient with your hair. Be patient with your hair. Love on your hair, and your hair will love you back. So, look at us. We have done one side of the ponytail, and we just put that big scrunchy rubber band at the end. Then I went ahead and did 3 plaits. I didn't twist it this time around. I just do 3 plaits, and then I twisted the end of it. And this style really looked good on my daughter. She loves it because it's kind of cute. It makes her look like a doll. Yes, so this is my own cream base or mix. I don't know what I'll call it. I made that cream, so it's a very simple cream that has shea butter, that has water, that has Ayurvedic product. I like to put the oil that I have sipped in Ayurvedic product into it. That's why I say that it's made of Ayurvedic product. So when I have those oils that I've sipped or has stayed in those herbs, add them to the cream that I'm making, it gives me that nutrient that I need from those products. It extracts it. I keep it in the dark somewhere in a corner in my pantry. After about a month, But every time I go there, I shake it in, I shake it, I mix it, I shake it, I mix it, so that the thing can, absorb all the goodness from those herbs. And then after that, I sieve it out. I take that oil, one part for application on the hair, another part to add into my cream as I make the cream. This is really, really nice. It has helped with hair breakage. It has helped us to get bounce, I would like say, fullness back. So it's helping with growing out the tiny little undergrowth that I noticed on my daughter's hair. So I'm very grateful that I decided to go with this. And let me know if you do this kind of styles for your children's hair. At the end of the day, my daughter really liked the hair and it was really beautiful. This cream that you see is going to get absorbed in the hair. By evening, everything was out and gone. Everything looks nice and beautiful, and she rocked this for another 2 weeks. I kept moisturizing it, and that was it, guys. Nothing more, no drama, no complication, just simplicity. Simplicity is the game, guys. Simplicity is definitely the game when it comes to keeping natural hair. So let me know what you think about this. God bless you. Thank you so much. If you have watched this video to this point, please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel, our YouTube channel. And thank you. See you in our next video. God bless you. Love you. Bye.